Okay guys, here I will show you how I get a sigma x prime, sigma y prime and tau x prime y prime from the Morse circle by using the trigonometry. Actually, you can get the answer direct from the graph. Given that theta is 30 degrees clockwise, so for Morse circle it must be 60 degrees. The angle of 2 theta p1 can be calculated as follows. The angle 2 theta p1 is the tangent of tau xy over sigma x minus the centroid. So the 2 theta p1 is equals to 44.68 degrees. When we rotate the plane x about 60 degrees to plane x prime, the remaining angle alpha is 60 degrees minus 44.68 degrees equals to 15.32 degrees. We know the radius r of the circle and we have the angle alpha, so the sigma x prime is equals to r times cos alpha plus the centroid. For tau x prime y prime is r times sine alpha, which is equals to 16.9 megapascal, and sigma y prime is r times cos alpha minus the centroid. However, the results must always refer to the Morse circles diagram for the sign convention. Given are the principal and shear stresses and its orientation from previous example. Normally, we use a protector to draw the stress block, but for this example, I cannot use a protector directly and I need to change the angle to the coordinates. The angles that I need to change are the orientation of principal and shear stresses and also the angle of the rotated element. For example, the orientation of the principal stresses is 22.34 degrees, so I have a coordinate of 60 and 24.66. Shear stress has a coordinate of 30 and 71.86, and rotated element 30 degrees has a coordinate of 60 and 34.64. The x coordinates 60 and 30 have been selected randomly. We mark the coordinates and draw the line as a plane of each orientation and sketch the stress block according to the calculated values. For principal stresses block, we just have the value of sigma max and sigma min. and thus the rotated element stress block will show the sigma x prime, sigma y prime, and tau prime. The rotated element stress block will show the sigma x prime, sigma y prime, and tau prime. Shear stress block will have the values of tau max and tau min, and also the centroid as a normal stress values of plane X and plane Y.